surprise my mom. She doesn't know I'm coming home.
Hi, Mom. What are you doing here?
Spent my morning at the dentist. Hello guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I actually have some exciting things coming up in this vlog that I'm so excited about. First, we have to go back a little about everything that happened this past week. So I posted a 2026 video, and in that video was like the first week of 2026, but I didn't film half of the things that happened throughout the day because I was just so anxious about my health anxiety. I've just been so overwhelmed that I feel like the first week of 2026 did not go how I wanted it to go, but that's okay because I noticed it and I didn't let it stop me from the things I said I was going to show up and do. So that brings me to here, and the point I'm even saying any of that is because I want to be transparent and honest with you guys, because social media really is a highlight reel and I think it's important to show both sides. With that, if you've been keeping up with my vlogs since moving to Florida, you would know that my homesickness from being in New Jersey my whole life has been very difficult, and I say this in all my videos, but two things can exist at the same time. I'm very grateful and happy and so blessed to have this apartment with my boyfriend, but two things can coexist at the same time, and I'm just having a hard time adapting to the area, trying to meet new friends, especially working remotely for my accounting job, and missing my friends and family from home. So with all of that, I'm actually flying home this weekend for one full day, but I have a good reason. So today we have to pack and get everything done, and then tomorrow I'm leaving at 4:30 in the morning, January 9th. My plan is to surprise my mom. She doesn't know I'm coming home, and I think she's going to love it. My brother will hopefully pick me up from the airport, and I'm planning to spend tomorrow with my mom as long as she's not busy. I know she has work, so we're actually going to drive to her work. I'm going to just show up there and be like, hey, and she's gonna love it. But then I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's house, see his puppies. I'm actually staying at my boyfriend's house because the reason I'm flying home is because my boyfriend's cousin is pregnant, and I'm very, very close to his family, and I want to go to her gender reveal, and I'm also taking pictures and videos of her gender reveal for her. So that's why I'm flying home, but I think my mom's going to really love it. And then I'm coming back to Florida Sunday, so it's like one full day. But I still need to pack. I have to pick up my Amazon packages because a few things that I ordered got delivered, and I have to do some laundry and just clean up before actually going home. Chad's going to be staying here with Penny because he has school and can't fly home, but I thought it was important to show up when I say I'm going to show up, even though I'm a little nervous to fly alone. I also have my period so bad right now. It's like unbearable. If you don't know, I have PCOS and it makes it so bad. But I promised I was going to show up, and one of my goals for 2026 is not to let my anxiety control me. So we're flying alone, we're doing it, and I know I'm going to look back on it and be happy that I did it. So that's the rundown for today. I ordered Jersey Mike's because I'm starving. I'm gonna eat that, and then we're going to start our day. I just ate my Jersey Mike's. I honestly feel a lot better. I needed something like bready because I was so nauseous, but I also wanted to have protein. So I just did a turkey sandwich from Jersey Mike's, which helped a lot. Now I think I'm just going to reset my apartment a little bit because it's a mess, and I don't like leaving my space dirty. Even though Chad's gonna be here, I just like cleaning before I go on a flight. So I'm gonna do some laundry, empty the dishwasher, and then make my bed, and then we really need to start packing. I also think I'm going to see my friend Madison tonight. She's taking me to the airport tomorrow, which is so sweet, and then Chad's going to pick me up on Sunday. Chad can't take me tomorrow because my flight is so early and he has class at 7 and the airport's an hour away, so he'll never get back in time to make his class. So Madison's gonna take me, thankfully, and Chad's gonna pick me up on Sunday. But tonight, me and Madison are going to go watch the sunset on the beach, which I'm so excited about. We're on the east coast of Florida, so we'll see the reflection of the sunset, but I still think it'll be so pretty because I see the sunset every single day out this window in my apartment, but I've never been to the beach since I moved here. So I definitely want to check it out. I'm going to start with cleaning my apartment, and then we're gonna get right into packing. And I also have to go pick up my big chair that just got delivered.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, self-touch your hand in mine.
Here's the comforter that my dog decided to chew apart, and unfortunately it's the whole entire thing, and stuffing keeps coming out of it, so I had to order a new one, and it's not here yet. Bringing this suitcase because I actually got my boyfriend's mom this for Christmas, but I couldn't take all of my Christmas stuff that I got back without a suitcase, and I didn't bring a suitcase, so I'm going to use this as my carry-on. I don't really really need to bring that much stuff though. But it's the easiest way to get it back to her. One pair of jeans. Here I ran into an issue. That issue being half my clothes are still packed from when I moved here. We're not even going to talk about that. I've been going through it and I don't have any of my sweaters. And I need something pink or blue for the gender reveal. I'm going to bring a pair of leggings and a sleep shirt. And then for makeup, heart, foundation brush, mascara, eyeshadow, blush, highlight, concealer, face gel, soap, retainer, cleaner, brush. And then I'll put my toothbrush in here before going home. I really don't think I need anything else. I just have to go find a sweater because I'm staying by my boyfriend's house and half my clothes are there. I'm gonna close this for now and then we will reassess later.
On the beach, first time since moving here. We're testing out the water.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Since moving to Florida, yeah. I'm kind of nervous. It's pretty though. Oh, it's freezing. It's not that bad. I was expecting worse, but I cannot ocean dunk in that.
Good morning. It is January 9th. We are flying to New Jersey today to go to my boyfriend's cousin's gender reveal, but in the process of that, I'm surprising my mom. So let's go surprise my mom first. Meaning she has no idea I'm coming home, and I think her reaction is going to be really good.
Walking up now to surprise her. She's gonna see me through the camera though. Can I help you? Hi, this is Christy's daughter. I'm trying to surprise her.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Happy for you. Hold on one moment.
I appreciate it. Bye-bye.
It's for you.
Okay, perfect.
Hi, Mom.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
You just freaked me out.
I know. I had to wear the hood because I was trying to hide and you weren't answering.
Wait a minute, you were just in Florida.
It is now the next day. I'm actually back in New Jersey already. I had such a chaotic morning and end of last night. So me and Madison basically ended up going to the beach and then we realized that there was no sun. Like the sun came out at the very last second. So the sunset wasn't going to reflect enough since the sunrise rises on the ocean because we're on the East Coast. So I do want to start doing more sunrise dunks. But the ocean was so nice. It was my first time being there since moving to Florida in that area and I absolutely loved it. It was so therapeutic. And then we ended up going to dinner, which was really nice. I got a hamburger and she got a Caesar salad. And then this morning I woke up and it was just so chaotic. I had to take Penny outside at 4 a.m. I had to finish up packing and then my memory card broke. So I have no footage, literally no footage. I actually just DoorDashed a new memory card. I don't know what happened, but all of the footage that I had on that memory card, that was probably from almost a year ago, or no, probably like 6 months ago, but footage I needed got corrupted. I still have the memory card. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to like troubleshoot it, but that was really frustrating. But I ended up DoorDashing a new memory card because I don't have a car here, so I had to DoorDash it. But I wanted to do a little travel day recap. So my friend Madison picked me up at 5 in the morning and we went to Orlando Airport. My flight was originally at 7:45, so we were gonna have to leave at 4, but then they delayed it to 8:20, but they delayed it last night, so I really did not mind at all because that meant extra sleep for me. So she picked me up at 5, drops me off at the airport, and everything was so fast. I actually signed up for United Clear Blue. It was to skip the line in TSA, and the only reason why I did that is because where I live, Orlando is like an hour and 10 minutes away, and I was nervous I was going to miss my flight. So I quickly got through TSA, which I think it's a good thing I did that because TSA was moving so slow, which I didn't expect for a random Friday in January. But got to my gate, had a little snack at 8 in the morning. I literally had chips because of my nut allergy. I'm scared to eat anything that is from like a restaurant or anything that I don't know that's in the airport. So I was like, you know what, let me just get chips. I don't know if I said this, but I did decide to fly first class because my flight had literally such a minimum amount of people on it. It was insane. And they were giving away flights to equal out like the weight of the plane for a very cheap amount. So I was like, you know what, let me just fly first class. It was amazing. The seats were so comfortable. And then my brother actually picked me up from the airport and I surprised my mom. She was so happy. I'm so thankful to be able to do experiences like this and just be able to surprise her. I just got a really weird deja vu moment. I'm so happy to be able to surprise her and I think she was really surprised and so happy, and I'm going to get dinner with her later. And then after that I came back to Chad's house and I let his puppies out and they were so happy to see me as well, and it's just so welcoming and warming to know that coming home is coming home to all the people and animals and things that you love, and it was just very welcoming welcoming and reassuring to me because it was really hard for me to get on that flight with my anxiety of flying alone. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm proud of myself for going and for doing it, and I knew that once I got here, that anxiety would be like, you did it and you should be proud of yourself, and it is. So that's a little rundown of what happened. I just ate lunch, and I think my friend Lizzie might pick me up in a little bit to go to TJ Maxx, and then I'm going to get dinner tonight with my mom, so I will keep you updated. But happy to be home, even if it's just for 2 days. I think it's important to show up when you say you're going to show up, and I'm proud of myself for holding myself to that. It's the next day now. I actually had a bit of a dental thing that went on last night, so I spent my morning at the dentist. But I did go out to dinner with my parents. It was very nice, and then that's when the whole issue started. So I woke up, went to the dentist, and now we're getting ready for the gender reveal. I'm just wearing these black jeans and then this pink shirt from Amazon, and I'm going to quickly take out my hair, and then we're going to drive down the shore to go to the gender reveal. I think it's supposed to be like Italian themed, which is gonna be really nice. I let my hair sit in these braids for probably 24 hours now, so they should look good. This is my only option, so hopefully they do. The weather here is honestly not that cold. I was expecting it to be colder, but it's probably for the best so that I don't get sick. I might put it in like a half up, half down situation, but I think it looks fine. Here's the fit. I'm gonna switch to my Canon G7X and we're gonna go to the party. It is actually a few days later now. It's Monday and I'm back in Florida. I had a very interesting time when I was back in New Jersey. It was really nice to see all of my family and friends and my boyfriend's family, but I also had so much health anxiety and so many things going on, especially when I had to go to the dentist, that I really got overwhelmed. So I'm really sorry if this vlog isn't exactly what I wanted it to be, but I think it's really important to show up when you say you're going to show up, but also take care of yourself. And that's what I was really trying to do physically and mentally. So that's why this video is a little short. I was hoping it would be longer, but I still want to post it because I wanted to vlog my time home and I wanted to post it, and I told myself I was going to, so I am going to post it anyway. I'm actually sitting on a new chair me and Chad got for our bedroom, and I absolutely love it. I don't like this light behind me when I'm filming, so I'll turn that off next time, but I think this could be like a cute little setup for when I'm doing my sit down videos, and it's like perfect level with my bed because we also got a box spring and my bed is like the perfect height now. But I was editing my video and I realized that it was kind of short for my vlogs and I didn't want to post it, but then I was like, you know what, I do want to post this because I want to be able to look back at this and remind myself that I still showed up when I said I was going to. I still did what I wanted to do, and I am proud of myself for flying home, going alone, and going to the gender reveal and showing up for the people that I love. The gender reveal was so cute. It was Italian themed, and personally I love pizza. There was a lot of pizza. There was a lot of like Italian pastries. It was adorable. Savannah already posted her reveal, so that's the only reason why I'm posting this, because she already posted it. But she's having a girl and we're all so excited for her. She's really happy. She would have been obviously happy either way just with the healthy baby, but you guys know what I mean. So that was really fun. I was able to see my parents, I was able to see my boyfriend's family, and I was also able to see my brother and my friend Lizzie. So it was a very short trip, but still very wholesome, still kind of overwhelming because of everything I just talked about, but still definitely worth it. Chad picked me up from the airport yesterday and now I'm back trying to get back into a routine. So that is going to be it for this video. I love you guys so much. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and also always remember that you can do hard things, and I'm going to make it a very big goal of mine to continue to show up when I say I'm going to show up, and also document it so we can see how much I grow over the year together. But thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video.